In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert picture in Constant Contact. To get started, open your email draft. This is the message you are currently building in the Constant Contact email editor. Make sure you are in the editing view where you can see your email layout so you can place your image exactly where you want it to appear. It also helps to take a quick moment to decide where the picture should go, such as near the top under your headline, between two sections of text, or closer to the bottom above your footer. Having a clear spot in mind makes the next part feel simple and controlled. Next, look to the left-hand side of the editor for the Content panel. In that left panel, click Images. This opens the image area where Constant Contact keeps the pictures you can use in your email. When you click Images, you should see thumbnails or image options that are ready to be placed into your layout. If you have multiple visuals available, pause briefly and choose one that fits the message and looks clean at email size. Images with clear subjects and good contrast usually read better on mobile screens. Now you are ready to place the image into your email. From the Images panel on the left, drag and drop your chosen image directly into your email layout. As you drag, move your cursor to the exact location in the email where you want the picture to appear. You will typically see the layout respond as you hover, which helps you line it up in the right section. Once you see that the image is positioned in the correct area, release your mouse to drop it in place. After you drop the image, take a moment to check the placement. Make sure it sits in the correct part of your design and that it flows naturally with the text around it. If it does not land where you intended, you can repeat the same drag and drop action to place it again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.